大家好，欢迎来到胖宝宝爱火车。Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. 在本集影片中，我们不看火车，我们来到了萨克拉门托的消防博物馆，看古董消防车。100年前，甚至200年前的人们是怎样扑灭火灾的呢？让我们来看一看吧。In this episode, we are not going to see trains, but we're visiting the Sacramento Regional Fire Museum to see antique fire engines and fire trucks. How did people put out fires 100 years ago and even 200 years ago? Let's take a look. 这两顶帽子因为皮革缩小而显得特别小，并不是因为过去的人脑袋小。These two hats look so small because leather shrunk, but it's not because people had small heads in the old days.
Where's the Sacramento? Dixon. Equipments. Life gun. Ladder. Lucy Davis. Rescue vehicle. Does this vehicle works as an ambulance?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Oh,
Old.
old ambulance. Cool.
Yep.
Oh, this is a pump. Okay. Pump. Oh the fire trucks. Nice. Fire truck. Fire alarm. These are all kinds of fire alarms. Fire dispatch.
这是最古老的消防卡车 （fire truck）。英文里 fire truck 和 fire engine 都表示消防车，但它们的区别是 fire truck 运梯子 ，fire engine 运水。This is one of the oldest fire trucks. The difference of a fire truck and a fire engine is that a fire truck carries ladders, while a fire engine carries water.
No, Dana and Larry.
Oh, nice. Yep.
Yeah.
Look at these badges. It's a steam pump. It's very cool.
And they were fiberglass.
It has a steam
Went out
engine.
and just charged
Pump
the whole
water.
second floor with smoke in the hallway.
Beautiful. It's very beautiful. Look at this.
What you want? No, it's not. No, it's not. You don't open this door in about 30
Davies fire truck. It's Davies fire department.
You remember that chief that was in fire?
Real hard. You have
push
to
down.
Take your whole hand.
Push
Pull
down.
real hard.
Ready? Go down like that. Push down. Push down.
Real hard.
Yeah, it's too.
Okay.
1, 2,
Put your
3.
hand on top of my finger.
Push.
Help me. Ready? Push. Ready?
Whoa, 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 look. This is so cool. Whoa. The bell rings. Oh, look at that tape. Look at that tape.
Turn it off though.
Goes 4 times.
Oh, it will go off automatically, right?
Run 4 times. So it does 4 rounds in case there's an issue with the system or one of the registers breaks or there's a power failure. There's all kinds of things that can happen.
Events 吗？
其实他们要马上要关掉了，他们有 special event，
Special events
就是他们比如说
有一个活动，有一个大 party。
参观嘛，
还有个什么快捷？
他们是有人去世了，someone passed away，
如果您喜欢我们的影片，请订阅、点赞、转发，谢谢。If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.